Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm your host Hamza Amjad. Hope you all will be fine. Welcome back to my new video that is about the most commonly used or sold medicine in the market. Actually, I'm talking about Augmentin. Augmentin is an antibiotic agent that has broad spectrum against the most commonly occurring bacterial pathogens. Now, generic name of Augmentin. Generic name of Augmentin is amoxicillin trihydrate plus clavulanic acid. Clavulanic acid is basically act as potassium salt. Clavulanic acid also extends the spectrum of amoxicillin by acting as beta-lactamase inhibitor. Now, dosage forms. Dosage forms of Augmentin are film-coated tablets, chewable tablets, oral suspension powder, and also syrups. Now I'm going to talk about indications or uses of Augmentin. It is used in upper respiratory tract infections including tonsillitis, lower respiratory tract infections including bronchitis and bronchopneumonia, genitourinary tract infections including urethritis, skin and soft tissue infections including wound infections, bone and joint infections, osteomyelitis, and dental infections. Now dose. In case of adults, 1 Augmentin 375 mg tablet 3 times a day, 1 Augmentin 1 gram tablet twice daily, 1 Augmentin 625 mg tablet 3 times a day. But in case of children, the usual recommended daily dosage is 25 to 45 mg per kg per day every 8 hours. And one point to be noted that Augmentin 375 mg and 625 mg tablets are not recommended in children of 12 years. Now contraindications. Augmentin is contraindicated in patients that have hypersensitivity to beta-lactams and Augmentin associated jaundice dysfunction. Augmentin suspension contains aspartame, which is a source of phenylalanine and therefore should be used with caution in patients with phenylketonuria. And now interactions. Basically, Augmentin has no interaction with any kind of food or juices, so we can take it with empty stomach or with a meal. But with meal, absorption of Augmentin drug increase and Augmentin XR is better absorbed when it is taken at the start of meal. In case of pregnant women, Augmentin should not be used in pregnancy because it increases the risk of necrotizing enterocolitis in neonates. But Augmentin may be administered during the period of lactation because there are no detrimental effects for the infant. And now the side effects of overdose. Side effects of Augmentin includes thrombocytopenia, means low blood platelet count, anaphylaxis, means life-threatening allergic reactions, dizziness, headache, convulsions, impaired renal function, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, indigestion, black hairy tongue, teeth discoloration, intestinal nephritis, and skin rashes. In case of renal failure, Augmentin can be removed from the circulation by hemodialysis. Now the precautions. Augmentin oral presentations should be stored in a dry place at 25 degrees C or below. Don't break the tablet. Take with plenty of water. Augmentin suspension must be stored in a refrigerator and used within 7 days. Shake suspension well before use. And don't use any kind of medicine without the direction of doctor or a pharmacist. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.